Hey guys, Catherine here. I wanted to show you what I am doing today. I am making another charm for one of my nerdiness, for one of my favorite TV shows. I happen to love Buffy the Vampire Slayer, and I had to think long about what I wanted to do to symbolize Buffy the Vampire Slayer in charm form. And I finally decided on doing Mr. Pointy, the stake she was given by Kendra. Now, Mr. Pointy doesn't have a lot of wood grain in it, so I'm not going to do like a faux wood grain, but it does have sort of bark around the handle part, and then it's a sort of blonde wood for the rest of it. So I have kneaded both colors, and I'm going to start by rolling out my tan color into a sort of pointy shape. And it's alright if it goes all wiggly and wonky, because Mr. Pointy is actually all wiggly and wonky. There we go. So sort of roll it out like that, and then just kind of wiggle it up a little bit. There we go. That actually looks pretty good. And then cut it off right there and set the rest of this aside for something else. And then take my dark brown, the part that I'm going to use for the handle, because it's meant to look sort of like it's still got bark on the outside. Which, given that it also looks shiny like it's been finished, is a little bit silly, but we are talking about a nerd show, so I don't know if any of the people who worked on the show were familiar with actual woodworking, and that's fine. Go and then just kind of mush it on. And then square up the end, just pressing on it. And then the bark does have a sort of craggliness to it, so I'm going to just take and lightly draw in that craggliness with the toothpick. And there we have it, Mr. Pointy. It just needs an eye pin, and I do want to put the eye pin down through the top, but I am going to have to trim that eye pin up, because that is going to be too long, I do believe. Oh yeah, see, that'll stick out through, but it doesn't have to be trimmed up too short. So just trim off a little bit. And then take and stick it in through the top, and try and not have it come out any of these sides, hopefully. Hopefully. Good enough. Awesome. There we go. And that is my version of Mr. Pointy, the stake from Buffy the Vampire Slayer, in charm form. It did end out a little bit longer, but it's also thinner, so I think that's okay. And then I'm gonna bake it and glaze it and put it on my charm chain. And that is what I did today. I'd be happy to hear what you guys did today in the comments below, so go ahead and leave me a comment saying what you are doing. And please do remember to subscribe. It helps spread my channel, and it helps other people see what I am doing, and then they can let me know what they are doing today. Thank you for watching, and see you all later. Bye!